So what I'm going to make now is a really easy, really quick, delicious summer salad. And it's using feta cheese, beetroot, watercress and some other mixed leaves. Now I love this salad because the colours are just so gorgeous and it's packed full of good nutrition. You've got protein, you've got loads of vitamins, and it also tastes delicious. We're going to dress it with a dressing that we've made earlier. If you want to see all the dressings, just go and check out the Switch nutrition system with all of the dressings. You'll see there's a whole range of them. We're actually going to use a French dressing on this one, and because I think it goes particularly well. So we'll start by cutting up our beetroot. Now I've just for ease, I haven't cooked this beetroot. I've just got a vacuum packed pre-cooked beetroot. You can of course cook your own beetroots. It's the best way to do it, I guess, but these are just so much easier, which is why I tend to use them quite a lot. They will, however, stain your fingers. We're just going to cut it into little chunks and pop it in our bowl. The lovely thing about this is that the beetroot kind of dyes all of the other ingredients and it all looks quite pretty after a bit of stirring. So there we go. Beetroot's so versatile and it's really underused actually. Okay, so now we're going to just cut up our feta. I usually use about 80 grams of feta. This is just a salad for one person. So there we go, we'll sprinkle those in. And then we're going to just roughly chop our watercress. I love watercress because it just adds a little bit of fieriness. And then if you mix it with some of the other leaves, I've got some rocket and some lamb's lettuce here, it just softens it, but the watercress just really adds a nice bit of bite. And you can see if we start to mix it all together, the feta is taking on that gorgeous pink colour from the beetroot. So now we'll get our dressing out. My hands. You can really put any dressing you like on these salads. We made this one and I think this one goes quite nicely. It's quite a mild French dressing. So just pour a little bit on. It's been in the fridge so it's thickened up a little bit. And then we'll just spoon and just mix that up a little bit. And you can see it's all lovely glossy and coated now, and that for lunch on a summer's day with some crusty bread would just be absolutely delicious. So you can see it's so easy. It probably took about 4 minutes. Have a go. Try, experiment with different flavours. You don't have to stick to the ingredients that I've used, and let us know how you get on.